Today we're riding all the roller coasters at Walibi Belgium, from worst to best. Strap in, because oh my god.
Number 10, Vampire.
Ow. I have. Oh my god. Still not as bad as Kondaa. This does have headbanging though. It should really get the faster strains. That will help it a lot. Why am I doing this, man? +1.
Number 9, Loup-Garou.
The last time I was at Walibi Belgium was 24 years ago, when it was still Six Flags. At that point, Loup-Garou here was still new. Was my favorite at the park. Like, I was marathoning it.
Yeah.
So, 24 years later, let's find out whether it's as terrible as people say now, and whether it should be RMC'd or not. I still have some hope, but I know people hate this right now, so we'll find out. Yeah, it's pretty bad. Your opinions?
I feel like a milkshake.
There you go. Don't ride it unless you want to be a milkshake. My god. Please, Walibi Belgium, RMC this or do something. Save it. S'il vous plaît. 24 years ago, I loved this coaster. I had so much fun on it. This was horrible. This was nothing what I remembered. It was actually downright painful. It's still not the worst coaster at the park, but it's close. I really hope that they will either RMC or Titan track this. Because the layout does have potential. Like, it's a good layout. It's just unbearably rough.
Number 8, Fun Pilot. A Zero Force kiddie coaster. At least it doesn't hurt.
It's a surprisingly good kiddie coaster, given that it is the one kiddie coaster at Walibi Belgium. It's a lot of fun and worth doing as a kiddie.
Number 7, Cobra.
Why am I doing this? It's just a Vekoma boomerang, but +1 is a +1. Oh no. I hate this. +1. +1.
Number 6, Turbine, a Schwarzkopf shuttle loop with an LSM launch. This is the oldest coaster in the park. Number 5, Calimity Mine. These Vekoma mine trains are always a riot.
Imagine calling this Colorado Adventure instead of Calimity Mine. We're in Calimity Mine. Okay, that's an excellent mine train. This was really cool. Walibi really has some quality family rides, honestly.
Number 4, Pulsar. This was the biggest surprise for me. I didn't think much of it, but this coaster is surprisingly powerful and has a good eject spot.
We are about to get soaked on Pulsar, the Mac Power Splash. Let's see how it is.
J'en ai aucune idée. C'est juste... Ah ouais, il est 17h17. Je vois sur la bande
If you like this video, splash that like button. Let me wipe you guys off. Okay, that was great. That was great. For reference, I stole this joke.
Number 3, Tikiwaka. An incredibly solid and dynamic Gerstlauer bobsled. They should really build more of these.
Dit is het moment tegen je. Ik heb ook gemist. Nee, ik kan het goed handelen. Ook had ik echt wel last van en nu heb ik het wel zo.
Ja, ik heb ook nog wel last van hoor.
Ik kan het tegenwoordig wel hebben.
Ja.
Dan denk ik dus inderdaad wel heel impressive uit.
Ja. Ja.
Number 2, Mecalodon. I can see why it got the reputation as a mini Taron, but this raised my expectations a bit too high.
We are riding Walibi Belgium's newest coaster, Mecalodon. Okay, that was good. It's relatively mild though. This is why I came to Walibi Belgium.
Number 1, Kondaa.
I am riding my 100th coaster in the back row. Kondaa! Let's go! Holy shit! god, this is so good. Worth it. Worth it. Someone lost their hat. I hope you could see it on the POV. Oh my god. This is award to number 100.
If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. And if you enjoyed this style of ranking coasters, check out this video next.